One of the most commonly asked questions we get is, can you do my home?
People want to live in a Three Birds home.
Imagine there was a Three Birds home that people could buy
And put on their block of land, like a project home or a spec home.
Yeah!
We've designed the floor plan,
The fixtures, the fittings.
Everything's selected for you.
by us.
Oh my God.
We find the power.
To pull all of our favourite pieces of Three Birds.
All of those ideas and concepts together.
Rawson Homes reached out to us and said, if you're going to do it with us.
We can rule the world. We can rule the world.
This project is going to be a game changer.